What's up, guys? Welcome back. Donatello's Workshop, RC. Whoa. What's going on? Turn the steering way down, yes. So, I'm gonna drive this today. There we go. Too much steering, way too much steering. Today is June 8th. It is my birthday, and I decided to give the oldest car in my arsenal a spin because I'm old today. 50, right? So yeah, thank you. Happy birthday. Just kidding. All right, so what did we do to this? It's got the Fan RC universals. I did some suspension tuning. I've done the tie rods now, the turnbuckles, that is. We did the shim kit with the crush washers and new bearings in the rear. So the drivetrain is now sorted correctly the way I wanted it. The steering geometry is pretty much there. What else did I do? Oh, and the new electronics, 120 amps, 3850 kV. This thing hauls ass. I can only run it on 75% throttle limiting because otherwise it's too much power, and the thing will just lift. The front end will lift and it'll flip over. So it's really fun at 75 anyway. It's not a big deal. Yeah, baby. Golfers are out doing their thing. The suspension was needed a little work. I needed some sag, and you know, took a bunch of droop out. You know how these things are. They can be way too high up off the ground, and then if you put shock limiters in it, then you sometimes don't get enough suspension travel and articulation. So the suspension often needs some work. But man, if you listen to the drivetrain, that's smooth. It loves it. Look at that. Here we go. Okay. Now, my diff might be, you know, the weird diff system might be a little too tight, but that's okay. And you put too much steering in it, it just pushes. So, you know, you gotta turn the steering way down. Ooh. Oh boy. All right. Let me just pop the tie rod. No big deal. Turnbuckle. No big deal. So, the Fan RC UVs, new bearings, the crush washer, so the drivetrain's a lot smoother. Sounds better. Oh, it's the 3/16 axle hub conversion. That's how you do it with the Fan RC UVs. You gotta do the hub conversion. Uh-oh. What's going on? Keeps popping off. That's the only tie rod that I couldn't replace because I don't have short enough ones. You know? You got the long arm conversion kind of fixes that. And they keep pulling out. That's what's going on. But it's warm out here today, so maybe the plastics are too soft and they just keep pulling out. So that's probably what's going on. It's all right. She's running though. Which one? That one? Wow. They're moving out because of the RC cars going on in front of their house, huh? Jeez, rude. Okay.
Hey. Yeah, you. I've seen you around here and there, like when I walk to the gym and go to work and
Okay,
stuff.
we're tracking straight now.
And I was wondering, you know,
So it likes a little camber in the front, more than you would think. It does help it handle. A little cogging there, no big deal. Uh-oh. I think it just happened again. We lost steering there for a second. She's just having problems today. It's the plastics are soft. Probably because of the temperature, maybe. So me and the wife are gonna go to Lagoon. Turn the steering down more. So what the? Slick right there. The drivetrain is way more robust than what the rest of the car can handle. Looks cool though. She's fun. There's a couple more things I need to do. Uh-oh, just popped the tie rod again. Yeah, so I need to swap out the steering rod for, I've got a titanium one that'll fit it now. I gotta swap that out and then put proper ball ends on it for the new ball cups that I've got. So I'll put the new ball cups on, the new ball ends, use the proper length titanium steering rod I've got for it. And then I've got to figure out a way to get the turnbuckles that are short enough for the front, because they're just too long. I can't get the camber where I want them with the ones that I've got. They're just too long. It's weird. You know, I think they're for the long arm conversion, and I'm having a hard time finding short enough ones for this old narrow wheelbase. You know, so we'll figure that out, and then it'll be a little more reliable. Need some Loctite on that, on those steering rods, or yeah, the turnbuckles for the steering, so they won't pop out like that. Because those are the ones that are just too long. She's pushing quite a bit, which, so basically my differential's way too tight. That's what's going on there. It's fun though, cooking. She cooks it up like a pound of bacon. And again, that's 75% throttle. If I go 100, it's just way too fast. So I just wanted to do a quick video of the oldest car in my arsenal. Seems like people like to watch the old Goldpans run. You know, even though I'm not racing, you know, you get to sort of see how they perform and hold up in today's day and age. These Goldpan run videos that I've got, they tend to perform pretty well, so the people like to see these things run, I guess. And you know, I could have a better livery, so I'm gonna get a new body and I'm gonna add this to the gunmetal. Do a whole line of gunmetal cars, you know what I mean? To add to that, to tie in with the other two, and then probably do the B4 in gunmetal too. Yeah, the road's slick and it's warm out here. She wants to go to Lagoon, and I just wanted to wait till evening. I like Lagoon in the evening the best. She's taking me to Lagoon for my birthday. All right, she's running pretty good now. Doing a little better. But she loves that drivetrain, those UVs, the crush washers, the bearings, the 3/16 axles and hub carrier, the conversion. That's worth it. So if you guys got the old stepped axles, get the hubs from Fan RC that carry the 3/16 axles, and get you some 3/16 UVs, Fan RC UVs, but then get the shim kit that comes with the crush washers, so that you can put them in between the bearings and the hub, and it just takes all the slop out of that. It makes it really smooth. Those axles spin really smoothly inside those bearings, and the UVs just are very smooth. mean, it runs cool and a long time with, geez Louise. With the 120 amps and only at 75%, I mean, and it can handle it, so it just runs nice and cool. Kind of interesting that even pretty quick, 75%. It's fun. The lateral grip is way better than the medial grip with these tires, see? When you're at speed. All right. So these packs are already, there's low voltage. Didn't last too long, did it? These packs are about toast. So I had another pack go dead on me. When I charge it, it says check battery, low voltage, so it's dead. All right, well, there you go, the Goldpan A stamp. Got the drivetrain sorted, got a few more things to do. See, these are the ones I got to replace that I don't have that are too long. These are the ones I did replace. These are working out great. And then the steering rod, I'm gonna do that right now actually, just to get that out of the way. 3652 kV. No, sorry. What is that? Oh, 5400 kV. Wow. All right, it's 5400 kV, 120 amp. That's why it's so fast at 75%. All right, well, have a good weekend. Happy Sunday. Check you guys later.